Hi, it's Kozue. I'm gonna be making hydrangea nails with a silicone mold. If you have silicone molds, you might find this video useful. If you don't, well, just watch how I work. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna be making a lot of flowers with a silicone mold and Seria's gel nail, milky white. I got the mold from Temu. I tried to find the same one on Temu, but I couldn't find it. After putting gel on the mold, I'm gonna scrape it with an old prepaid card. I'm trying to make it as smooth as possible. I'm gonna clean it with ethanol. I thought this would take necessary gel off too, but it was no problem. If you don't do this though, you'll get burr after curing. I'm gonna cure it twice just in case, from the top and from the bottom. I got really pretty flowers. They are pretty flexible. This gel nail doesn't get uncured gel, but I recommend to clean it with ethanol to avoid the slightest chance to develop allergies. As for me, I completely forgot to do that. I guess I can make a few sets of hydrangea nails with them. I'm gonna apply CanDo's Mag Add Gel Iris Purple to the thumbnail. I'm not gonna use a magnet wand for the first coat. After painting second time, I'm gonna float the particles up to the surface and then circle, 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 circle. I'm trying to collect the particles in the center, but I'm not doing a good job. Well, I'm gonna put flowers on it anyway, so I think it's okay. Oh, more? Okay. I'm gonna paint photo gel from CanDo. I'm painting it as even as possible. You need to cure it for 3 minutes. I'm gonna decorate it with the flowers. I'm using a DIY picker. I like doing this a lot. It's soothing. I want to fill the space with 2 petals. It's such an easy job to cut the flowers. I'm gonna use DIY beads. We have the rainy season in June in Japan. We get to see lots of hydrangeas and rain in the season. I hope the beads look like raindrops. One more string around here. I'm gonna coat it with non-wipe top coat. I don't want to ruin the beads, so I need to paint it thinly. It looks like this. I think I was able to save the beads. I want to try matte top coat on the flowers as an experiment. I think the flowers will look more real this way. I don't know. I'm gonna use Seria's icing gel to make some more raindrops. I flash cured after making too. I also did it on the flowers. The icing gel is not supposed to be sticky after cure, but it is a little sticky. So I painted no wipe top coat gel on raindrops later, which I didn't film. The thumbnail is done. I'm gonna paint iris purple on the little, middle, and index finger halfway. I'm gonna make gradient. A tweed brush from a 100 yen store is super handy to make gradient. The same work on the middle finger. And the index finger. I'm painting iris purple again, fading it, and using a magnet wand to design. I don't know what I'm doing. After you decide on the design with a magnet, you should flash cure it, as the particles might move otherwise. I'm gonna finish the art with no wipe top coat. I've been using this top coat for a while. It's from Seria. I'm gonna make some raindrops with icing gel on the middle finger and the index finger. I had to coat all the raindrops later with top coat, as, again, the icing gel was kinda sticky. I wonder if it's undercured or it's sticky even after it's fully cured. Just one for the index finger. I'm gonna put flowers on the ring finger, just like the thumbnail. I'm gonna paint iris purple on the whole nail and cure. After the second coat, I try to collect the particles in the center and cure it. I'm gonna paint foil gel as glue. I'm putting flowers on it. These flowers are a little thick, actually. Probably I try to make them thinner next time. I'm gonna paint no white top coat. After this, I'm gonna do something different from the thumbnail. I love nail stamping, so I'm gonna stamp a lot. I'm gonna use this plate from Shein. This is very opaque stamping polish I found at Walmart in Hawaii. not gonna put raindrops on this nail. I'm gonna finish it with glossy top coat. Okay, let's see what it's like on my fingers. You see through my nail art on my nails, but I hope you can still see what it's like. The art is pretty chic as a whole, but the flowers on the ring finger and the thumb give the set a nice, cute vibe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!